Hello, I'm Meena. I'm a program manager with Emphasis. I started my career about 20 years ago. When I started looking to restart my career, post motherhood, Emphasis gave me the opportunity to rebuild my career. The leaders here have trusted my ability. I'm able to demonstrate my capabilities in the last 1.5 years. As an outcome, I look at the women around me who need support and nurture them to achieve their full potential by working out things for them. I network actively and have been part of Women's Leaders in Technology Forum year on year. I've shared my experiences and learned from different client leaders how women empowerment is achieved in workplace. In the program that I manage, I encourage them to step into their power, express themselves authentically. I have enabled each team member with additional responsibility, which helps them grow by tapping their inherent potential. Emphasis is an equal opportunity employer. We have a supportive ecosystem with easy accessibility to leaders, trainings, and opportunities. Emphasis offers opportunities to work on cutting-edge tech with global exposure, top clients, and strong career growth. Enjoy an innovation-driven culture with flexible, employee-friendly policies. Come, join us.